Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Android Studio for Windows, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Android Studio website at developer.android.com/studio. Once the page loads, look for the Download Android Studio button. Click on the button to initiate the download. You'll be redirected to a page displaying the software licenses. Read through the license agreement carefully. If you agree, click on the checkbox indicating that you accept the terms. After accepting, click the Download button to start downloading the installation file. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation process. A security prompt may appear. Click Yes to proceed. The installation wizard will open. Click Next on the welcome screen to continue. You'll be prompted to choose the installation components. Ensure that the Android Studio and Android Virtual Device options are selected. Click Next to proceed with the installation. Select the destination folder where you want to install Android Studio. You can use the default location or choose a different one. Click Next to move forward. The wizard will show you a summary of your installation settings. Review the options and click Install to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few minutes. Once done, click Finish to exit the installer. Now, launch Android Studio from your desktop or Start menu. On the first run, you may be asked whether to import previous settings. If this is your first installation, choose Do Not Import Settings and click OK. The setup wizard will start, guiding you through the initial configuration. Select Standard for the recommended installation type and click Next. The necessary components will be downloaded automatically. Once the download is complete, click Finish to finalize the setup. You are now ready to start using Android Studio for your development projects. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.